Get ready to witness the future of Lamborghini as we dive deep into the all-new 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, a stunning 900 horsepower hybrid beast that's redefining what it means to drive a supercar. This isn't just another upgrade or facelift. This is Lamborghini stepping boldly into the electrified era while staying true to its raging bull spirit. From its jaw-dropping design to its revolutionary powertrain, the Temerario is here to set new standards in performance, technology, and sheer road presence. Let's start with what hits you first, that design. The Temerario looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Every line, curve, and angle serves a purpose, sculpted not just for aesthetics but for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Up front, you have razor-sharp LED headlights integrated into a more aggressive fascia, massive air intakes, and an active splitter that adjusts on the fly to keep you glued to the road. Along the sides, the deep side skirts and sculpted intakes channel air perfectly to the hybrid powertrain and brakes, keeping temperatures down when you push this monster to its limits. At the back, you're greeted by a dramatic diffuser, quad exhausts, and an active rear wing that changes its angle depending on your speed and driving mode, giving you the right balance of downforce and drag reduction. The Temerario sits low and wide, with signature scissor doors and new lightweight forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires, ready to grip the tarmac at insane speeds. But the real magic happens under the skin. The Temerario's hybrid system combines Lamborghini's legendary naturally aspirated V12 with an electric motor that delivers instant torque. Altogether, you get a mind-blowing 900 horsepower sent to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system. 0 to 60? Try under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 220 miles per hour. Yet, what's truly remarkable is how Lamborghini has made hybrid technology feel so raw and exhilarating. There's no dull EV whine here, you still get that signature Lamborghini roar, now amplified by the boost of electric torque. Drivers can switch between multiple driving modes, including a pure electric mode for city driving, a hybrid mode for balanced performance, and a track mode that unleashes everything the V12 and electric motors can deliver together. Inside, the Temerario is just as wild. The cabin wraps you in a fighter jet-inspired cockpit with carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather everywhere you look. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing you everything from G-forces to battery levels and torque. Split. A large central touchscreen keeps you connected, but true to Lamborghini's DNA, the focus is always on the driving experience. The steering wheel is packed with controls so you can switch drive modes, adjust suspension settings, and even tweak the sound profile without taking your eyes off the road. Lamborghini hasn't forgotten about sustainability either. The new hybrid platform dramatically reduces emissions compared to its purely petrol predecessors while still delivering the raw emotion Lamborghini fans crave. The regenerative braking system not only recharges the battery on the go but also helps you brake later and harder into corners. This makes the Temerario not just blisteringly fast in a straight line but a true weapon on the track. It's clear Lamborghini wants the Temerario to be more than just an exotic showpiece. It's engineered to be driven hard, day in and day out, with the durability to handle both city streets and race circuits. And it's not just about speed, the Temerario is packed with cutting-edge driver assistance features, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering, giving you confidence whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising through traffic. In many ways, the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is a statement. It says that the future can be sustainable and electrified without sacrificing the passion, drama, and soul that define a Lamborghini. This is a supercar that looks to the future but keeps its heart firmly rooted in the brand's racing heritage. So, if you're a die-hard Lamborghini fan or just a lover of automotive innovation, the Temerario should be at the top of your dream garage list. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think of Lamborghini's new hybrid monster. Would you take the Temerario over a pure petrol Aventador or Revuelto? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insane car reveals and reviews. See you next time.